Good morning, students. Welcome to session 46, and we are in the chapter of surfaces, areas, and volumes of cube and cuboid. Right? So, in the last class, you have seen about cuboid. Today, we will try to understand something about the cube. Okay? It's very similar to the cuboid. Cuboid in the shape of rectangle, where cube will be in the shape of square. Same, even cuboid will have 6 faces: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Similarly, cube also will have 6 faces. Right? So, top, bottom, right side, left side, back and front. See, all the 6 sides are similar to cuboid and also for cube. It's very similar to the cuboid. Okay? So let's see second example, which is related to cube. Okay, which is related to cube. Let's see second example. So you know, right, how, see, let me show you once again cuboid and cube on the board. So this is cuboid. It is looking in the shape of cube, and this is cube looking in the shape of cube. Sorry, square. Right? See, observe this front face. Only front face. Opposite sides are equal. Right? Similarly here, every sides, all the sides are equal. So if all the sides are equal and it has 6 faces, then it is called cube. And if opposite sides are equal and it is in the shape of rectangle, then it will be called as cuboid, right? And in cuboid, this is length. Okay, look at the board very carefully and assume it's a version 1. Okay, and see. Okay, I'll take here. This one is breadth. Okay, and one more. See, if you observe this one, we have this one, right? Okay. Okay, sorry. Here to here, the side one is there, no? Which means this one. This is bread. Sorry, this is bread, and this one, which means this one, or you can take this one, or you can take this one. All are same. So this is height. Okay, here to here. Okay, see, if this is the one we have, let me take this one again. Let me take this one. Okay, this is the front one, so which means here to here. Here to here is length, and here to here, which means this one, this part, complete part, which is breadth, and next this one. Okay, this is called height, or of course you can take this one also. This is height, this is length, and this is breadth. Where in cube, for cube, everything, all the sides are same, right? All the sides are same. So that is about cube and cuboid. So let's look at this example 2. If each edge of a cube is doubled, if each edge, okay, each edge of a cube is doubled. See, as we draw earlier, same once again, let's draw it. Okay, let's draw the same cube again. What he is saying, each edge of a cube is doubled. We don't know how much centimeters it is, but what he is saying, whatever the centimeters it has, but each is doubled. Okay, each edge is nothing but all the sides. It has 6 faces, and each face is nothing but each edge. Each edge is doubled. How many times will its surface area is increased? So he is asking us to find the total surface area of that cube and how much area it will be. He is asking. So let's see example 2 solution. First, we don't know how much it is, right? Let. So what he said? Let the edge of cube be x. Let the edge of cube be x. First, let us take that edge will be x centimeters. Okay, x centimeters. Then what is it? Each edge is doubled. Each edge is doubled. According to problem, given each edge of cube is doubled, which is 2 into x. 2 into x is equals to 2x centimeters, right? 2x centimeters. And we have a formula: total surface area of a cube is equals to 6x square, or 6 into side square. 6 into side square. Formula is 6 into side square. Okay. Now, and we have one side is equal to x centimeter initially, but as per the question, we changed it. We made it double, became 2x. Right? It is nothing but one side is equal to 2x centimeters. One side is equals to 2x centimeters. Now this will become 6 into side is 2x, which is 2x whole square. It will be 6 into 2x whole square is 4x square. How come 4x square లా అవుతుంది? దీన్ని మనము 2 స్క్వేర్ x స్క్వేర్ గా రాస్తాం. అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? 6 into 2 స్క్వేర్ అంటే 4, x స్క్వేర్ is x స్క్వేర్. సో ఇప్పుడు నేను ఏం చేస్తున్నానంటే ఈ 4 ని బయటికి రాసుకొని 6 ని లోపలికి రాస్తున్నాను. which is nothing but ఇది 6 into 4 x స్క్వేర్ అని అర్థం. అంటే నేను 6 into 4 x స్క్వేర్ ఉంది, దాన్ని 4 into 6x స్క్వేర్ రాస్తున్నాను. because both are same. 6 4 24 x square, దీని కూడా 24 x square. so when both are same, I can change it, right? so అప్పుడు ఇది 4 into 6x square. ఇలా ఎందుకు రాశాను అంటే క్వశ్చన్ లో మనల్ని ఏం అడిగాడు? what he asked us in the problem, how many times will its surface area increases? how many times will its surface area increases అంటే surface area formula is 6x square. now we are multiplying with 4, which means 4 times its surface area increased, right? 4 times its surface area increased. so write down therefore 4 times its surface area increased, right? That's it. This is about the sum. Okay, let's look at the third problem now. two cubes, each of edge 6 centimeters, are joined face to face. Find the surface area of the cuboid thus formed. See, this is one cube. He's saying that there is another cube. There is another cube. There is another cube. Okay, two cubes are there. So now what he is saying, these two cubes are combined. These two cubes are joined face to face. See, suppose I don't have any live example to show you as of now. Just try to understand here. See, so we have this cube and this cube. So what he is doing now, both these cubes are joining. Okay, the right side. See, if you face like this, I have one cube here. Okay, let me take this. Just assume these two are cubes. Okay, this is one cube and this is one cube. Okay, both are in square shapes. So this cube and this cube is joining like this. What happens then if we join? If we join like this, these two will be invisible like this, right? These two will be invisible. So initially a cube will have 6 faces, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 faces. Even this cube will have 6 faces, right? 6 faces and 6 faces. When I join like this, these two, how many faces do we have now? How many we will be having now? First thing is, this became cuboid. When two cubes are joined face to face, okay, two cubes are joined face to face, it will become cuboid. It will be the shape of rectangle, right? When two cubes are joined. See, initially two cubes are there. Now let me join it and show you how a cuboid will be formed. Okay, this is how when two cubes join, the shape will be formed. Okay, we are joining these two cubes and this is how a new shape is formed. This looks like a cuboid, right? Looks like a cuboid. Now what happened? See, this has 6 faces, this has 6 faces. When two cubes are joined, this face, right, and this face will be invisible to us. రెండుల జాయిన్ చేసినప్పుడు ఈ క్యూబ్ ఒక ఫేస్ ఈ క్యూబ్ ఒక ఫేస్ మొత్తం క్లోజ్ అయిపోయినాయి అంటే అప్పుడు ఎన్ని ఫేసెస్ ఉంటాయి 10 ఫేసెస్ ఉంటాయి రైట్ we will be having 10 faces so remember that and now what happened moreover this became a cuboid right this became a cuboid and from here to here this we will be calling as length right this we will be calling as length and this we will be calling as breadth this will be calling as a breadth and next what do we have this one right this place which means this one is height sorry this is breadth and this is height right ఇది లెంత్ అవుతుంది, ఇది హైట్ అవుతుంది, ఇది బ్రెడ్త్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, నౌ so we know here to here it is 6 centimeters, here to here it is 6 centimeters. When we are joining together, here to here it is 6, here to here it is 6. Now what is length? 6 plus 6, 12 centimeters, right? Here to here 6 centimeters. This is one cube. Here to here another cube. This is 6 centimeters. So total the length is 12 centimeters, and so all the sides will remain same, which means breadth will be 6 centimeters, height is nothing but 6 centimeters again. Only మనం సైడ్ కి జాయిన్ చేసాము. ఒక క్యూబ్ ఉంది, అన్ని సైడ్స్ 6 సెంటీమీటర్స్, ఇంకో క్యూబ్ ఉంది, అన్ని సైడ్స్ 6 సెంటీమీటర్స్. మనం ఇలా సైడ్స్ కి జాయిన్ చేసాం అంటే పైన రిమైన్ సేమ్, పైన ఎక్స్ట్రా ఏం రాలేదు, కింద ఎక్స్ట్రా ఏం రాలేదు. సో ఈ లోపలికి ఐ మీన్ విడ్త్ కూడా ఎక్స్ట్రా ఏమీ రాలేదు, అంటే ఓన్లీ సైడ్ మాత్రమే పెరిగింది, అంటే సైడ్ మాత్రమే రెక్టాంగిల్ షేప్ లోకి వచ్చింది. మిగతా అన్ని కూడా 6 సెంటీమీటర్స్ సేమ్ అలాగే ఉన్నాయి. అందుకని మనకి ఓన్లీ లెంత్ మాత్రం పెరిగింది కాబట్టి లెంత్ మాత్రమే డబల్ అయింది. రెండు 6 సెంటీమీటర్స్ ని జాయిన్ చేసాం కాబట్టి లెంత్ ఒకటి డబల్ అయింది, బ్రెడ్త్ అండ్ హైట్ రిమైన్ 6 సెంటీమీటర్స్. సో నౌ దిస్ ఇస్ ఫార్మ్డ్ cuboid and we have length, breadth and height. So let us try and find out the area of it. So first, how to write? Write down 2 cubes of 6 centimeters each edge or each face, whatever, each edge or each face or each side, whatever you take. Okay, next, when 2 cubes are joined, when 2 cubes are joined face to face, when 2 cubes are joined face to face, it formed it formed cuboid. It formed cuboid, right? It formed cuboid. Now area of cuboid is equals to formula. What do we have? 2 into LP plus BH plus HL. Okay? Now 2 into what is length? 12 centimeters. 12 into what is breadth? 6 centimeters plus breadth is 6 centimeters into height is 6 centimeters plus height is 6 centimeters into length is 12 centimeters. 2 into 12 into 6, 6 2s 12, 1, 6 1 6 plus 1 72 plus 6 6s 36 plus 6 12 again 72. Now 72 plus 72 plus 36, how much will get? 72 36, 6 plus 2 plus 2 10, 1, 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 7 17, 17 plus 1 18, 180. Now 2 into 180, which is 2 into 180 is 360. ఇక్కడ మనం length into base, breadth into height, height into length అంటే రెండు మల్టిప్లై చేస్తాం కాబట్టి it will be centimeters into centimeter, which is centimeter square. So answer is 360 centimeters square. Write on the last step. I'm writing here last step. Therefore total area of cuboid is equals to 360 centimeter square. Okay, this is about your second example. Now let's look at the third example. We need to draw these 3 shapes also. Find the cost of painting of the outer surface of a closed box which is 60 centimeters long, 40 centimeters broad and 30 centimeters height. He's saying 60 centimeters long and 30 centimeters high, so which is forming a rectangle, which means he's talking about cuboid, right? And 40 centimeters broad, he's saying 40 centimeters broad. So with the measurements we can understand that it is forming a cuboid. He is saying this is of 60 centimeters, right? And this is of 30 centimeters height, 30 centimeters, and this is of, which is this one, is breadth, which is 40 centimeters, right? 40 centimeters. So he said that he's not talking about the box inside the box. He's just talking about the outside the box. Suppose మీరు ఏదైనా గిఫ్ట్ ప్యాక్ చేయాలి, ఒక కాటన్ బాక్స్ ఉంది, కాటన్ బాక్స్ ఇన్ షేప్ ఆఫ్ రెక్టాంగిల్, ఐ మీన్ క్యూబాయిడ్, దాని మీద గిఫ్ట్ ప్యాక్ చేయాలి, మనకి లోపల దానికి సంబంధం లేదు కదా, రైట్? We'll pack only outside the box, not inside the box, right? So that is what he's saying. So to pack it, he's saying, the shopkeeper is saying, I need 50 pies for every 20 centimeters square. I need 50 pies for every 20 centimeter square. So now I need all the sides, right? I need all the sides area. నాకు మొత్తం ఏరియా బాక్స్ మొత్తం ఎంత ఏరియా కవర్ చేస్తుందో నాకు తెలిస్తే దాన్ని బట్టి ఈచ్ 20 సెంటీమీటర్స్ కి 50 పైస్ అవుతుంది, మొత్తం ఎన్ని సెంటీమీటర్స్ వస్తుంది, దానికి ఎంత అమౌంట్ అవుతుంది మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. So this is what we have. Now let us find out solution. So as per the problem, what is given? Length of cuboid is equals to 60 centimeters and height of cuboid is equals to 30 centimeters. Next, breadth of cuboid is equals to 40 centimeters. Okay, is equals to 40 centimeters. Now we need to find the area of this cuboid. Now total surface area of cuboid is equals to, we have formula 2 into LB plus BH plus HL, and 2 into length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length again. Now which is equals to 2 into, what is length is 60 into breadth is 30, sorry, breadth is 40 plus breadth is 40 plus height is 30. Next, so this is into plus height is 30 into length is 60, which is centimeter square. Now 2 into 60 into 40, 6 4s 24, 2 zeros, plus 40 into 30, 4 3s 12, 2 zeros, plus 30 into 60, 3 6s 18 and 2 zeros, centimeter square, right? You అర్థమైనాయి కదా? 60 into 40 చేస్తే will get 2400, 40 into 30 చేస్తే will get 1200, 30 into 60 చేస్తే will get 800. How I got this directly? I'm just multiplying 6 into 4, 24 and 2 zeros, 1 0, 2 zeros, 4 3s 12 and 2 zeros, 3 6s 18 and 2 zeros, right? Now add this 2400, 1200, 1800, 2 zeros, 8 plus 4, 12 plus 2 is 14, sorry, 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 4 is 14, 4 1 1, 3 4 5, 5400 centimeter square is equal to 2 into 5400. I am multiplying with 2 this one, 2 zeros 0, 2 zeros 0, 2 4s 8, 2 5s 10, 1 0, 800 centimeter square. This is total area which we have. Now what you need to find? How much amount it will take? How much amount this area will take? Right? So as per problem, as per problem, cost of what is given? Painting. Yes. Cost of painting for 20 centimeter square is equals to 50 pies. Right? 20 centimeter square is equal to 50 pies. Now I am doing, as it is in pies, I am converting it into rupees. So how can we convert? So by 100, right? So 50 pies can be written as 50 by 100 rupees, right? 50 by 100 rupees. So it should be always in rupees. So I have converted it into rupees. So for 20 centimeters it is taking 50 by 100 rupees. So we need 10,800 centimeters, right? 10,800 centimeters. So first let me try and find it out for 1 centimeter square. Cost of painting for 1 centimeter square is equals to 50 by 100 into, if this 20 comes here, becomes 1 by 20, right? Now 0 and 0 cancel, 5 ones, 5 twos and 0, which is 1 by 20 into 2, which is equal to 1 by 40, right? How much it is taking? So he has, okay, it is directly, okay, no issues. So we got 1 by 40 rupees, okay, for 1 centimeters. Now cost of painting for 10,800 centimeter square is equals to 1 by 40 rupees into this one, right? Okay, into 10,800 into 10,800. This 0, I am making it cancel. Now what I am getting? So this is 1 into 10,080 now, right? 1 into 1080 by 4. We have left with 4. Now let's see whether we can get in 4 table or not. 4 twos, okay. 1 into 1080 is 1080 by 4. 2 twos 4, 2 fives 10, 2 fours 8 and 0. Next 2 ones 2, 2 twos 4, 1 left, it became 14, 2 sevens 14 and 0 is equals to 270 rupees. We got it? Yes, we have the same answer, 270 rupees. So finally last step, write down, therefore cost of painting, write down, therefore cost of painting for 10,800 centimeter square is equals to 270 rupees. Okay, so with this we're done with these examples. Tomorrow we'll start this exercise 14.1. We have 2 exercises. Yes, we have 2 exercises. So tomorrow we'll start with exercise 14.1. Okay. Hope you understood today's examples. If you have any doubts, just ask me, reach out to me. Okay. Thank you.